Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset voice and video settings on Discord. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and if you are on a call with somebody, you can go to your voice right here. You can right click your mute button, go to voice settings, and right here, as you guys can see, we got everything. Now, if we want to reset it, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll all the way to advanced in voice and video. We're going to reset all voice and video settings. We're going to go to reset, click OK. And as you guys can see, now it's restarting everything. We got our old options back, everything that's just not changed. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.